I'm here in Madras, Oregon, on the way to Prineville. This is Haystack Reservoir, the North Shore fishing pier, and I saw a quintessential morning sunrise. This is the typical sunrise we have in this area. Best sunrises in the state of Oregon, in my humble opinion, Central Oregon area. And I wanted to stop and capture the effervescent glow on partially frozen Haystack Reservoir. This, my friend, is absolutely gorgeous. As we continue along to the North Shore fishing pier, you can see you got this little infrastructure trail. Today is January 21st. It is winter. It's about 20 degrees. Haystack Reservoir is partially frozen, but nevertheless quite beautiful. Look at that. This, my friend, is a really beautiful area. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. That is world-class legend. Can I interest you in a wonderland zone, my friend? Look at this. This is crazy. This is the North Shore fishing pier, Haystack Reservoir, Ochoco National Forest, Crooked National Grassland. And look at how beautiful this is. Look at this, my friend. This is absolutely spectacular. You got the frozen Haystack Reservoir, and you've got the beautiful salmon sunrise, quintessential morning sunrise here in Central Oregon. Got the flow of part of the reservoir, and the rest is a frozen sheet of ice. I certainly wouldn't walk across that. I think you would break right through, my friend. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. It's a pink salmon, orange marmalade. Absolutely beautiful. This is legend, my friend. I'm really glad I stopped to capture this. This is truly special.